binds, and never use it if any parts are missing, inoperable, or damaged, or if you notice any loose cap screws. Now, Dale's going to give you a few driving tips that could save you a whole lot of trouble down the road.
For starters, only fire the tool into your work surface. Never fire into materials that are too hard for fasteners to penetrate. Also, be careful not to drive fasteners too close to the edge of your work surface or at too steep of an angle. The workpiece is likely to split and the fastener could fly free or ricochet and hit you or someone else.
And if that happens when you're not wearing these, you've got even bigger problems.
If a fastener jam occurs, disconnect the tool from its air supply. In fact, always disconnect the tool before doing maintenance or leaving your station. Also, clean the tool daily to remove dust and debris that could affect the performance or free movement of parts. And finally, only use parts and fasteners recommended by Senco. And do not modify a tool before consulting your Senco representative.
All of this goes back to our main point. Treat these tools with respect and caution, and make a habit out of taking a few precautions that can save you from possible permanent injury. Start out by always reading the tool operator's manual before you ever use the tool. Then each time you begin working, go through your own safety checklist, just like a race driver has to do. Dale, let's run through the checklist one more time.
First of all, wear OSHA-required safety glasses with adequate side shields anytime you're around air-powered tools, and I can't stress this enough.
Only connect tools to clean, dry, regulated, compressed air. Never exceed the maximum air pressure.
Keep your finger off the trigger whenever you're not driving fasteners, and never carry a tool around with your finger on the trigger.
Never drive fasteners when a tool's trigger, springs, or safety has been altered or is not working correctly.
Always treat your tools with the respect and caution their power demands.
If you follow these points, you'll be on your way to a safer, much healthier way of working. So don't forget them. And don't forget to ask your supervisor for this brochure from Senco. It covers all the points we've gone over today, as well as other important safety measures you should remember. I urge you to get it, read it, and learn it for your own good. On behalf of Dale and the good folks at Senco, I thank you for hearing us out today, and I urge you to treat safety in your workplace the same way a NASCAR driver does.
Don't just think about safety, live it every day.
Because safety first is the only way to work.